Police in St. James touting progress as efforts to control spiraling crime out west continues. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, one man confirmed dead following gas explosion in Mountain View community yesterday, and JLP runoff in Lacovia St. Elizabeth ends in conflict. There's also the business day, a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this Primetime Newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. Tonight we're asking what more can be done to celebrate our heroes. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.